From the moment that I wake up, put on my makeup, you were right there with me. Doesn't matter what I go through, you're my breakthrough. You know everything about me. You heard every prayer that came from my heart, and you love me. Yes, you love me. Woo! When I think of how you made me, it's amazing. I reflect your beauty every moment that I'm living. No counting your thoughts toward me. Your grace woven through.
Hello friends! Welcome to my channel, Jackie Tochi. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bantayan, Karkar, Mahogany Plantation. Ang daming mahogany dito. Very nice area. Pwede kayong mag-photoshoot dito. Mag-print up. So, welcome kayo lahat dito mga friends. So, this is free. This is a private property, but it's free for all people. So please come here and enjoy the natures. Hi mga friends, kung pumunta kayo dito, hindi lang tayo sa mga puno ng kahoy or ang mga dahon, hindi natin galawin para hindi magalit ang may-ari dito. So, hindi lang kayo magputol ng mga kahoy. Libutin natin ang area. Ito mayroon ding mga maliliit pa na puno. At mayroon ding mga pinakamalaki na, siguro mga matatanda na ang iba dito. So, gi-preserve ito sa may-ari. Gi-preserve ito sa may-ari para iwas sa landslide, sa mga baha. So, may magandang purpose ang may-ari dito mga friends. And then, at the same time, pwede din tayong mag-photoshoot dito. I think thousands of mahogany ang tinanim sa may-ari nito. Plus, mayroon ding mga tumutubo na mga maliliit. Galing ito sa seeds ng mahogany. So, ito, tumutubo siya. Ang dami rin. I think almost 20,000 ang tumutubo dito. Or more pa, kasi ang dami. Hello friends, that's all my vlog for today. Please like and share my YouTube channel. And God bless.
God is good all the time. He put a song of praise in this heart of mine. Well, God is good all the time. Through that darkest night, His light will shine. Well, God is good. God is good all the time.